One of the coolest bits about Samsung's 2020 flagships is the 120Hz refresh rate of their displays. However, there's a problem with it, and it's that you have to choose between 120Hz and QHD rendering, as the mode was only available up to full HD resolution. But on the Note 20 Ultra, Samsung introduced a dynamic refresh rate display that automatically switches between 1 and 120Hz depending on the app running to maximize battery life. But still, there was no option to use the higher refresh rate at maximum resolution. But finally, and The Rock says finally, that will not be the case with the Galaxy S21 Ultra. According to our friendly neighborhood Ice Universe, the S21 Ultra will support the combination of 2K or QHD+ and 120Hz refresh rate, which most certainly is a step in the right direction in giving consumers the ability to take advantage of their device's true capabilities. 5nm chipsets are powerful and yet at the same time are equally power efficient, and coupled with the new LTPO display, the Galaxy S21 Ultra users shouldn't have any negative effect of this on the battery life. I mean, the main reason for Samsung not enable this feature on the S20 and Note 20 Ultra was to conserve battery, but good to know that will not be the case with the S21 Ultra. With that said, Ross Young has updated his tweet and says that these are now the color variants of the S21 family, which suggests that the S21 Ultra will only be offered in black and silver. This sucks, to be honest. The color options on the S20 Ultra were bland and boring, and I guess the same is the case with the S21 Ultra. Highly disappointed with these colors, to be honest. Anyway, Ice Universe also provided more information about the S21 Ultra. He says Samsung is still using laser autofocus on the S21 Ultra just like the Note 20 Ultra, which is a good thing as it's one of the best out there, but it also means Samsung may not use the new ISOCELL Vision 33D time of flight sensor we talked about a couple of days ago. Which again would mean we still have no idea about the fifth camera sensor on the S21 Ultra. Hopefully, we'll get to know about it in the days to come. You read that right. Phones with 200W+ charging will be launched in 2021, and Xiaomi is the one to do it. Recently they launched the Mi 10 Ultra, which is the world's first phone to support 120W charging speeds, but 2021 could see even faster speeds. According to this leaker, who has a good track record, we won't be getting a Mi Mix 4 from Xiaomi anytime soon, but that 200W+ charging systems could be available next year. 120W is already fast enough as it charges a phone with a 4500 mAh battery in 21 minutes. So you can only imagine what a 200W+ charger is capable of. But I'm not sure if 200W charging is a good move, because heat and battery degradation is an issue with such high speeds. Maybe Xiaomi has found a workaround. We'll have to wait and see, but the leaker also says Xiaomi will launch an under-display camera phone and a folding smartphone next year. Of course, with that being said, let me know what do you think about this down in the comments, and as always I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.